Go ahead and look over to the left. I just want you to rotate. Feeling like a polar tightness through the right?
A little bit.
Okay. What about when you look over to the right?
It just feels like there's no
compressed?
Yeah.
Okay.
But no.
That's kind of what I'm seeing. I'm seeing it still again at like rib 1 area here. Like it looks like you actually have the rotation through your upper cervical and you get stuck more in here.
Mm-hmm.
What about lateral flexion? Bring your left ear to left shoulder. That's tight.
Mm-hmm.
What about over to the right? You actually have slightly more, interestingly enough. Go ahead and look up towards the ceiling. Pain with that?
No.
Look down.
But I feel pulling
Through the back
yeah,
here.
all the way down to like into the scapula.